Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about Python libraries in machine learning. Okay, see, I'm going to explain with the examples. First example: Imagine that you are an engineer. You are trying to build a small house. You cannot build a house with your hands alone. You need tools, right? Same for the machine learning also. Machine learning engineer also use tools here. There are four libraries every machine learning engineer uses. One is NumPy and Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. Okay, and here we are discussing in the brief way. Okay, here in the machine learning projects, almost every project starts with library. Before building machine learning models, we need to understand the tools the professionals use every day. Okay, and here today we are going to understand what each one does and where it fits into the machine learning workflows. And here this is the machine learning workflow. Here the machine learning workflow is to collect data, analyze data, visualize data, train the model and make prediction. Let us start with the NumPy. NumPy is a library for working with numbers efficiently. Without NumPy, it is slow. With NumPy, it is too faster and provides powerful mathematical operations. Where NumPy is used? NumPy is used in the mathematical calculations, arrays, statistics, and matrix operations and deep learning foundations. Okay, and here these are the examples. It is used to calculate the mathematical operations. Okay, now let us move to the pandas here. Pandas is used for the working with the data sets. Imagine an Excel sheet here. Pandas brings the functionalities into Python, where Pandas is used to reading CSV files, filtering data, cleaning data, and the most important one, exploring the data set. Okay, and here this is the and here these are the examples. Okay, now let us move to the next one, which is more important, Matplotlib. What is Matplotlib? Matplotlib creates graphs. Instead of looking at raw numbers 50, 60, 70, 80, we can create a chart here. Where Matplotlib is used, it is the most important one. Okay, in the data visualization, trend analysis, project presentation, and the most important one, which is exploratory data analysis. Okay, now let us move to the next important one, scikit-learn. What is a scikit-learn? Scikit-learn is the library that allows us to build machine learning models. For example, from sklearn.learn model, import linear regression. Linear regression means it is an algorithm. Okay, we will discuss it in the upcoming videos. Okay, these are the libraries provides linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, KNN, SVM, clustering algorithms. These are all are algorithms. Okay. Now, now let us move to the practical. Let us move to the practical work. See, no. Wait a minute. How they work together in the real projects here. NumPy stores the numbers. Pandas handles the data sets, and not Matplotlib creates a graphs here. Scikit-learn train machine learning models. Okay, these are the most important libraries in the machine learning model. Okay, now let us move to the practical way. Okay, now we are going to see an numpy how it will works. It deals with the mathematical operations, and whereas pandas, it deals with the it deals it deals with the data and to store data and to manage the data. Okay, and whereas matplotlib, it is used to create the graphs, and whereas scikit-learn is used to train prediction and evaluation. And here is the project I made for you. This is the mini project for you. Here and numpy. What is numpy here? What is numpy here? NumPy handles numerical operations. Panda stores manage Panda stores and manage the data, whereas Matplotlib visualize data, and scikit-learn will train a model on the data in the future lessons. Okay, I will explain it in the brief way. Okay, and these are the outputs. Here is the pandas, and here is the Matplotlib, and this is the graph. Okay, I hope you understand. In the next video, I'm going to explain these libraries in the brief way. Okay, thank you and support me.